Hey YouTube, welcome to the Small Business Grant series by Credit Viral channel. Yes, in this series we are going to review all the small business grants available in all 50 states of US. Yes, so if you want to watch the small business grant of your state and your city, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified about each and every video we upload about small business grants available in your state and city. And in this video we are going to review the small business grant of $15,000, and you know that the other word for grant is free money. It means you will not have to pay back a single penny to anyone. And remember that I'm also going to upload another video which will allow you to get a massive $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video as well, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here's the first small business relief grant program for the state of Minnesota. Yes, Dakota County, and the small businesses right there, you are eligible to get up to $15,000 of a small business grant. And you know that the other word for grant is free money. Yes, you can get it pretty easily, and this is a great opportunity for the county of Dakota, or you can say Dakota County community, right? So right here I will tell you each and everything. I will also take you on a tour of its application as well, so please watch this video till the end. This is a great opportunity and the eligibility criteria is really simple. So straight jump into the eligibility criteria, how you can get eligible for it, how you can get ineligible for it, and what are the program guidelines. So let's move on to it, and it's 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here, as you can see, this is the small business relief grant program guidelines, as you can say. It's round 4. Yes, this is round 4, the 3 round, and we also reviewed it on Credit Viral channel. They are closed. This one is closing on February 12th, so you don't have much time. Do it as soon as possible. But how you can get eligible for it? First, let's go towards a little overview that they have allocated around $8.3 million to support local businesses. Yes, you can get a pretty huge chunk of amount if you have 2 or 3 businesses. Then you can actually eligible or get eligible for grants of each and every business of yours. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria right here. First, that you must have a physical location or Dakota County. Yes, your business have to be physically located in Dakota County. You have to have 75 or less full-time equivalent employees. So if you have 75 or less full-time equivalent employees, then you are good to go. You can apply for it. No current tax liens on record with Minnesota Secretary of State as of the time of application. So keep that in mind if you have any liens. So keep that in mind, you're not eligible for it, but if you don't, then you are good to go. Impacted directly or indirectly by an executive order related to the pandemic. This includes but not limited to being closed by an order or evidence of being impacted by sales or revenue declines. You know that in this pandemic, a lot of business were hit really hard, and you know, especially the businesses in Dakota County, they were hit really hard by the pandemic. So if you are one of them, then you can do that. And I know that pretty much all the businesses in this pandemic, they suffered loss. So if you suffered a loss, then you are good to go. You can apply for it. Right here, you don't have to show them the threshold like that your business has declined to 25% or 30%. If you have suffered a loss of any kind, then of course you are eligible to apply for it. And that's the great thing about this small business grant program. In operation on or before November 1st, 2020. So if your business was operational before November 1st or on November 1st, then you are good to go. You can apply for this grant. In good standings with Dakota County, so if you're in good standings with Dakota County, you have no outstanding tax or any other conflict with them, then you are good to go. You can apply for it. For profit business and organization are eligible for funding. Sole proprietors, home-based businesses as well, and this is a great opportunity. So if you have an LLC, you are a single member LLC, you're a sole proprietor, you just work from your home, then you are also eligible for it, and this is a great opportunity. But the great thing about it as well, that most of the small business grants, they don't include non-profit organization, but right here you can actually get it if you run a non-profit. So this is a great opportunity and you can apply for it. But who is ineligible for it? Applicants without a physical establishment in Dakota County, you are ineligible for it. You cannot get it. Corporate owned chains, of course, if you have a corporate owned chains like McDonald's or any other corporate owned chains, then you are not eligible for it. Applicants in default conditions prior to November 1st, 2020, not eligible. And applicants who primarily derive income from any of the following: gambling, adult entertainment such as strip clubs and stuff, property rentals, property management, billboards, or lobbying. So you guys are not eligible for it, or those businesses are specifically not eligible for this grant. And applicant is eligible for up to $15,000. As I told you, you can get up to $15,000 from Dakota County Small Business Relief Grant Program. Round 4, we already reviewed all 3 rounds from Dakota County in our previous videos. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button right now, because we are coming up with the grant programs from all the 50 states. So make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. And now priority 1, priority 2, this is something that you can actually find out with yourself. I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot, because of course it's very simple, that it's first come first serve. Yes, you can get it until the funds are exhausted, so you have to apply as soon as possible. I'm going to show you how you can fill the application, and this is great step by step. So keep that in mind, follow the instructions I'm going to give you in this video. So how you can use the funds must be used for businesses operating expenses occurred during the, of course, pandemic. Those expenses may include payroll expenses, rent payments, mortgage payments, payments to suppliers like to your vendors, insurance, utility expenses, or other critical business expenses, including expenses related to closing or reopening. Of course, you can pretty much use this fund or grant for anything, so just keep that in mind. This is something that they actually mentioned right here, but you can actually pretty much use it for everything. Dakota County funds may not be used for the same expenses or activities that were paid during the other sources of grant or pandemic relief funds, so keep that in mind. Now this is really important, that application will be accepted starting at noon on January 21st, 2021. Applicants in priority 1, 2, or 3, of course, first come first basis, all begin applying on January 21st, 2021. So keep that in mind. I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot, so let's go towards the application and see how it looks like. So it's 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as you can see, that application are accepted through 5 p.m. and are closing on 5 p.m. by the way, on February 12, 2021. So make sure you actually submit it before that, and I actually advise you to do it as soon as possible. This is really important. So let's go and see how the application looks like. So when you click on it, this page will open right here. So in order to create an account, it's really simple. All you need to do, you need to click right here on create the account, and this pop-up window will appear. You will need to put your email address and create a password right here. As soon as you do that and click on sign up, they will send you a confirmation email on your email address. You need to click on it, and then of course you can log in right here. So I'm going to log in right here in front of you. So as soon as you log in, it will take you to this screen right here. You need to put your name right here. Of course, I'm just putting my channel name right here just as an example, and then your role or position in your organization. I'm going to put CEO right here. I'm going to click done. As soon as I do that, there are terms and conditions. I'm going to click agree right here, and then your acceptance is your legally binding commitment to the terms and conditions. So let's click yes and click agree and continue. So as soon as I do that, there's another privacy policy. You need to click agree right here, and then again click yes, again another one, and then this page will open right here. You need to put your business legal name right here. Of course, what sort of type you have, either you're a small business or non-profit, your address, of course, your city, your state, your zip code, and your entity admin or individual responsibility grant portal. Just like, of course, you created your entity email address, your username, and then right here you put it, and then please briefly describe your organization, and then you can click on add entity. But right here, right after that, they require your EIN number or your social security number if you are sole proprietor. And then there are some other internal business questions. I'm not going to get into a detail of that because those are internal questions. You can actually fill it out. So right here, this is what I showed it to you. And remember, this is the first video in the small business grant series by Credit Viral channel. We are also coming up with more videos for all the 50 states. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell icon so you will get notified. And also, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video as well, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I will see you in the episode 2 in all the 50 states grants program. Till then, take care.